Dear friends, the Supreme Court of India has been hearing about the Section 377 of the Indian Penal Code from June 10th onwards continuously. Actually, this case is being heard by the Constitution Bench. You are well aware that a Constitution Bench means there will be 5 judges. Number 1 is the Chief Justice of India, Shri Deepak Mishra. Second one is R.F. Nariman. Third one is Justice Khanvilkar. Fourth one is Justice D.Y. Chandrachud. And another fifth one, Lady Judge, Madam Indu Malhotra. Actually, what is this Section 377? Generally speaking, Section 377 was coined in the Indian Penal Code in the year 1860, criminalizing the carnal act against to the nature. That means if anybody does the sexual intercourse against to the nature, that is against to the penile and vaginal sexual intercourse, it is definitely an offence which is made punishable for death, life sentence, and also maybe it may extend up to 10 years. Life is also there, 10 years maximum punishment they will be giving. So, right from 1991 onwards, people are crying that it is against the Constitution of India. So they are shouting, they are giving slogans because this relates to a community called as Lgbtq. So let us know who are these LGBT. L for lesbian. Lesbian means a lady gets attracted towards another lady. If you see the film Fire, there you can observe the heroines Shabana Azmi and Nandita Das in the in the love affair, that is lady attracting towards lady. The second one is G. G means gay. Gay means a man being attracted towards another man. If you see the film Dostana, which was released in the year 2008, in which Mr. Abhishek Bachchan and Johnny Abraham along with Priyanka Datta heroine, they acted there. In order to love this girl Priyanka Datta, both of them as bachelors, as gays, they enter into her house and they love her. It's a story, different thing. So that is gay. Then B. B means bisexual. Here the notions are normally a man is attracted towards man, that is gay. Woman attracted towards woman, that is lesbian. Whereas here a person will be attracted to male and female also. Sometimes he will have sexual pleasure with males, at times he will have sexual pleasure with females only. It goes against the nature. And last one, transgenders or hijras. So outside appearance they look like male people, but inherently, inside they have female characteristics. So these hijras or eunuchs, they are seen everywhere in the society. Q is only for queer or questioning. This is a community. This community is raising their voice. Previously, one of my police friends has asked me, whenever some people travel in the, particularly in that Navajivan Express from Chennai, in Gudur, a group of eunuchs or a group of transgenders enter into a train and they will make blah blah, they will cause all nuisance with the particularly young community. Likewise, whenever you start any new company, any new shop, the transgenders will come in there, sing songs, dressing, cross-dressing, all these things will be there. What is the offense they make out? Normally, when that officer said, I told him, please see the Eunuchs Act, AP and Telangana, of course it was AP. AP Eunuchs Act 1990, where it was clearly established that eunuchs should be got registered and they should not go and cause a nuisance in the name of dancing, singing obscene songs and these things. Likewise, in Karnataka also, according to Section 36A of Karnataka Police Act, such acts are punishable. Previously, there was a Criminal Tribes Act also. Of course, it is now not in force. It was also making certain types of persons as criminals. So, agreed by all these things. Normally, the common people tend to see them in a lower place. their dignity is gone. So a foundation called an NGO called as NAS Foundation, they have been fighting for the cause of or for a decriminalization of section 377. So basing on articles right to equality, article 14 of the Constitution of India, and discrimination basing on the sex, article 15 of the Constitution of India, and article 19, freedom of expression, freedom of things, and article 21, right to life and liberty. So at the outset, the Delhi High Court did not accept the public interest litigation filed by certain lawyers, and since they did not get justice, they approached the Supreme Court of India. The Supreme Court of India then asked once again, sent the public interest litigation back to Delhi High Court and asked him to conduct an inquiry or a trial. Yes, at that time. So they concluded, the Supreme Court of India opined that section 377 should be abolished. That is consensual sexual intercourse with a man or with two people, man with man, woman with woman, anything. If there is consent, then it should be decriminalized. Then very NAS Foundation case is a very popular case. Then people felt very happy. But you please remember, the section is not removed. Why? Because if there is no consent, we may be seeing certain pedophiles, old people enjoying with the children. Pedophiles, that is also against to the order of nature. If there is no conscience, definitely it is an offence under section 377. So section is not gone, but it decriminalizes consensual sex. Right? Later, in the year 2013, Mr. Ganguly, he was about to retire on that particular day. He along with another judge delivered a judgment, Supreme Court. It was once again recriminalized. That means they said section 377 should be there because our society, Hindu society, the concept of marriage, then social living, ethos and all others, and take into consideration of all these things. Ganguly and other judges, they stated, they once again recriminalized section 377. 377 should be there. Okay. Then they have filed a review petition also. It was not accepted. But during 2017, there was a famous judgment on the right to privacy. Everybody has got his own right to privacy. Then once again, the LGBT issue came. Why you are not keeping up our privacy? Once again, they started to question. Then once again, another petition has come into the court from 2018. This constitutional bench is hearing the case. So, of course, it should be done. People are happy when 377 is gone. LGBT community particularly, they distributed Swiss and other things. But during the year when the 2013, when it is recriminalized, people felt unhappy, particularly that community, because that community is almost 1% in the entire country. Right. So now, what is happening is, Indu Malhotra, she is a lady judge. She says that the so-called lesbianism or gay or this thing is only aberration, it is not a variation. It is not aberration, it is only a variation. Mr. Justice Chandrachud, he says that time should come where in Bombay, particularly in some beach area, when two people move together, two people means that LGBT community, the police should not stop them and take them to the police station and take a criminal action. Such because of the right of privacy and right to freedom of life, right to security, all these things they have been discussing. Okay, let us wait for the outcome of the decision by the Supreme Court. Till now, this section 377 has taken so many twists and turns. At first, it was decriminalized during 2006, but once again 2013 recriminalized. Now situation may be there, whether it is going to be recriminalized or decriminalized. Let us wait and see. Thank you.